Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move for the consideration on third reading House Bill number 11286, printed copies of which were distributed to the members pursuant to the rules of the House. For this purpose, may I request that the Secretary General be directed to read the title of the bill and thereafter to call the roll for or nominal voting.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The Secretary General is directed to read the title of House Bill number 11286 and thereafter call the roll for nominal voting.
House Bill 11286, an act strengthening the administration of excise tax on tobacco products, cigars, cigarettes, heated tobacco products, vapor products, and novel tobacco products, amending for the purpose the National Internal Revenue Code of 1997 as amended. Roll call of members in consideration on third reading of House Bill 11286, Abalos, Abante, Abunda, Acharon, Asidre, Acop, Adyong, Advincula, Agaraw, Alba, Albano, Almario, Almonte, Alonte, Alvarez Jose, Alvarez Mercedes,
With 177 members voting in the affirmative, 4 in the negative, and 0 abstentions, the chair declares House Bill number 11286 as having been approved on third reading. Majority Leader.